Okay guys, today's video we're gonna install these wheel guards or fender liners on here. This car originally came with these. This is one off of the gray car. It's got some damage to it. The one off this car, they're okay. I got them in one of my sheds, but these came off of a 78, and we're going to install these on here because this is going to give me the look that I'm looking for with this vehicle, and also some protection from this getting rusted out, opposed to those ones just sit here in this area, and the covers, those guards cover all this stuff, covers the fenders, all this stuff from rusting out. And we're going to install them. As you can see, there's no holes here, nothing. So we got to make something. Like I said, this didn't, I don't know if these years came with it, but these came off of the 78 and cleaned them up really nice. They turned out well. Turned out real nice. So the problem is right now is got a couple areas that we gotta fix. I just put I put one of these U-nuts on here in place of these ones that's tore out. Still got some factory ones here. I'm gonna put one here, maybe got one here and one there. And the holes are not on this fender for these, so we're gonna make something for that as well. I gotta see where these mount up at. I really didn't pay attention to when I removed them, how these came off. I have to look at the video on how these came off, but I pretty much got an idea. But totally different from these. These are gonna give us some much needed protection under there, and a look that I'm going for, a specific look that I'm going for with this vehicle. So got some assortment of these U-nuts. We're gonna try to line the ones up I want, get a drill some holes in here, and like I said, I'm just gonna put another one here, maybe here, and I think that'll be it. And I'll figure this out at the end, but I think this is fine. This is fine. So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's enough to cover that area and hold it in place. And we'll figure out something for here, which probably will be up in this area somewhere up here. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out to hold it in place. All right, maybe make some holes and pop another one of these U-nuts here. I'll mount the camera. Good right there. Right there. I think this is enough. So now we gotta get some mounting holes. We gotta place it under here and see what we get. This is the passenger side. This piece, I don't know if I ever showed you, this is for under the hood. Use right here. So I'll do the passenger side. I'll do the passenger side off camera. Just want to get some mounting spots here. So we got to get it placed under here where we want it, and kind of detach it. So let me set the camera up and get it up here somehow where I want it. So I just put it in here. It's kind of just went in place. That's nice. That's gonna be real nice, and it's gonna give us some protection. Like I said, I just set it in here and it just kind of fell in place. It tucks underneath this fender, the lip of this fender, but that's gonna look good. It really is. I don't know why Ford didn't do that on all of them, because you can protect all this metal up in here, because it does rust out. I've seen many cases, and I've dealt with many cases where it's rusted out up in that upper part of this fender really bad, and even on some of the frame on the body. So this is gonna give us some much needed protection. But let me just want to show you guys this how it looks. A whole lot better. All right, let me get. I don't know if I'm gonna start under here first, so I can lift up. And just see. I don't know if this split is there intentionally. That's the only thing you make. I don't know. I don't think so. I think it rides inside of this fender. Let me figure this out. I'll be back in a second. So, we're looking at this book. That's how the car look right now. That's how the car look. And I'm gonna have to make I think some holes under the fender. Let me show you guys where I'm at. So this hole was there already, that hole was there, but nothing else, nowhere around here. So I'm gonna have to make something here and here. So we gotta make holes here on marks here so we can tuck this in and tuck everything in. So I got it pretty much where I want it. So I just gotta see how far in I want the holes. But I just want a clean look. So I want to get this tucked in so we can drill this up and all the way over here. This is pretty much how I want it to be as well. Also, look at this, kind of give me an idea. I think that goes like that. Yeah, so we in the area, because look how that's lined up. We in the area. It really is. Alright, so I know what I'm going to do. I know I'm going to start. So I got that pretty much tucked in. I'm pretty much exactly where I want to be here. Guys, bear with me here. I believe it's not to be tucked in like this, and I'm going to straighten it out, but I'm going to mount it like that, and it looks terrible, and I eventually fix it. So cut me some slack. So I just gotta make, you guys can see. Oh, so this is tucked in great. Like that. So I'm gonna mark my spots. I'll start here first, and I'll work my way all the way around up. Cause you see I'm lining up in those spots. Just made a nice hole. I think I got the holes. Both the holes are perfectly aligned where I need them at. You have to see where they're at. You guys can see they following that pattern up. That's like perfect. So let me Get both screws started, and we're gonna go all the way around. Okay guys, I got that one. That's in. I just made this one. I'm spot on. You guys can see I'm dead center of this rim. That's gonna line up perfect. That's what we want right there. Then I'm gonna pull this one in and then make the last two. Okay, that one's on, got that one, that one. So we got two more. We got one here and one here. All right, let me do these now. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm not gonna add any more screws to it. Got the last one in. Now one. That one. That one. Oh, I gotta tighten this one up. Let's do this right now. See how I draw that in? I was gonna put something there, but it's so firm that I'm not putting anything in there. You guys can see that lines up there. Let's see. That is nice. I like that. I'm not doing anything else to it. Nothing else to it. I'm gonna do the other side off camera. That is nice. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on, and I want to show y'all this. This is multiple Ford, just in case. This is the model number, so I didn't show that last time. Okay, I just got done with this side. I'm gonna show you all what I came up with, how I did. It's probably the correct way. You guys let me know if you have these wheel guards on your vehicle. Did I do it the right way, or was it tucked in? But this is the way I'm going with. I just think it has better protection to the bottom of the fender. And let me show you what's going on. Okay, so here we go. We're in there. Look how it tucks around there. Fishing all good. Got our screws all the way around. And I'm gonna show you what I did here. Came in, you guys can see that crease there. And I went under here like so. I think this is how it goes because it adds better protection to the bottom of the fender. I really like how that fits and how it's tucked under there. It fits way better than trying to tuck inside that fender. So we do got some protection here, and that looks nice. So that's how it went. Let me know if you guys have this fender guard in your car, how it is. So let me show you the other side. So y'all know how we was in here. Nice. Tucked all in. And look how I did it. Just like the other side. That's what we want, that look. So we all good now. It tucks right there, just like the other one. Okay. All right, that's done. It's a wrap for this. The next thing I'll be doing to this is, I don't know, something. I'm not sure, but stay tuned. It's getting close, and everything is coming together. All right, found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel. Glad we got these on. I believe we still should have the clearance for our wheels. I just can see that wheel guard, a fender guard, throwing us off, but we'll see. All right, hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching. Terrence, and I'm out.